Your home, where you work, places you visit could evoke a feeling of calmness, comfort, or discomfort, and that's all thanks to the different elements that make up your environment, such as colors, materials, lighting, and space. Environmental designers employ visual elements such as colors, typography, patterns, shapes, images, and messaging to tell a story within a physical or virtual space. As human beings, we are attracted to experiences. It could be an exterior or interior space you constantly or seldom visit or live in. But we all need to remember that our experiences are tied to our spaces. Reason why a good environmental designer won't focus on creating simply eye-catching or good to look at designs. A design could be visually appealing, beautiful colors, the layout is exceptional, but then it has no effect on the people that find themselves in that specific milieu. A good environmental designer needs to make sure that they use the appropriate visual elements to create designs that would first communicate a brand's unique personality, second, leave a long-lasting positive effect on the experiences people tie with that brand. So, who will be needing your skills as an environmental design specialist or as an environmental graphic designer? Schools, hospitals, corporate spaces, retail spaces, sporting venues, churches, or anywhere people might physically or virtually engage in one or more activities. Whatever be the case, know that you are definitely going to come in contact with one or more environmental projects throughout your journey as a graphic designer. Or better still, you might decide to specialize in just environmental designs.